Hi, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to everyone. The chapter name is Things to Do with the Computer. It's a chapter number 2 for class 1. So let's begin our today's lesson. Viz spends a lot of time on the computer. Viz is a person in the book spends a lot of time on the computer. What he is doing on the computer? Okay. Viz spends a lot of time on computer by searching things on different topics and doing so many things. What we can do on computer? We can do so many things on the computer. First, let's see what Viz is doing. Viz at home, Viz at home, he uses the computer. Viz in home uses the computer to get information on different topics. There are so many topics like cooking, like games, like drawing, like songs, like music. So the Viz is searching for the information for on the different topics like mathematics questions. Okay, so there are many different topics are there. Viz use the computer in home for searching different topics. Viz reads and writes stories. People reads and write stories. There are so many stories on the internet and people read them using computer. So Viz also reads and writes the stories. Viz also draw and color pictures on the computer. Viz can also do the drawing and the coloring on computer using the paint. So Viz using it for drawing and coloring. Now you can also do the drawing and coloring on the tablet. It's possible you can do the drawing and coloring on the tablets. Okay, but the screen of the tablet is less than the screen of the computer. If you see this picture, can you make it in the paint? It's very much easy. Okay, let's see another picture. This one is the most easiest picture. Anyone can make it. Which can also draw it easily. You can also draw it easily. If you want to try, you can give it a try to make it on the computer. Okay. Viz do another thing. He play games on computer. Okay, there are so many games available on the internet and people play them online like Fortnite, PUBG, and there are so many other games. So there are so many learning games also there in which people learn the spellings. So there are so many spelling games available on the internet. So you are learning spellings in the form of games. So Wiz is searching different topics on the computer. Wiz is reading and writing stories on the computer. Wiz is play games on the computer. So Wiz is doing so many things on the computer. Okay, let's see what Wiz can do. There are so many things. Okay, student tell me that what we can do. We can listen the movies. We can watch the movies. We can listen the songs. We can take a class online. Yes, we can do online learning. Okay, and we can search things, we can send email, we can use Facebook. There are so many things which we can do on computer. So there are so many things on there. People watch cartoons. So there are so many things to do on the computer which can do also do all these things. Okay, you can also send email from computer to other persons. Now, you have to open the page number 12. Everyone has to open the page number 12. There is a question on the page number 12. What do you do on the computer? So, the answer is on your screen. I write 6 options. Okay. The first thing is I use computer for. So, everyone has to write I use computer for. Okay. Now, there are 6 options. You have to write only two. You have to write only two. Okay. The option which is in red, I use computer for, it is necessary to write. Everyone should write this. Okay, and then you have to write any two. Let's suppose you say I use computer for internet and listen songs. Okay, or you can write I use computer for typing or drawing, or you can say I use computer for games and watch videos. So you only have to write any two. So this is it about the today's lesson. Now you have to open the assignment from the class era. Okay, it's very short assignment. You can do it in very less time. If you have any question, you can ask me in the live class. Hope you understand the lesson. Have a nice day.